Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how we make our bracelets out of ghost net. So a lot of our turtles come into the centre needing medical attention after being entangled in discarded fishing gear, which we call ghost net. So this pile next to me of ghost net has previously entangled turtles that have come in and out of our centre. So I think altogether there's about 5 turtles that have been entangled in all of these different nets, and we make bracelets out of it to recycle it. The alternative would be to burn it, and we don't want to do that, so we make bracelets, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. So this is what you'll need: 3 bits of string about 40 centimeters in length, and a lighter and some scissors. I really like to make them with just 1 colour or 2 colours, but today I'm going to make ones with 3 different colours so that I can better explain how to do it. Okay, so first we start with the one that's going to go in the middle and create your loop. So we just fold this one in half, just like this. And then up at the top here, I'm going to tie my other 2 in a knot onto this, leaving a loop at the top like this. Just like that, and now we can start the bracelet. So what I'm going to do is have these either side, and I want my dark blue to be in the middle like this one. So I'm going to bend this one over the top first and make a loop like this, but it's in front of my double here. And then with my white one, it goes in front of the dark blue, behind the double, and then it comes up through the loop towards you like this, and then we pull it tight, and then we do it again, but we still want the blue in the middle, so it goes from the other side. So I take my blue one and I loop it in front of the double, then I take my white one in front of the dark blue, behind the double, and then up through the loop towards me. And again, just the same thing, and we repeat that until we've run out. So blue one in front, white in front, and then behind, and then up through the loop, and then pull it tight. When you're done, I just trim the ends off this, and then burn the edges as well, just so that it's really neat. And then up at the start where you knotted to. Like that. And there you go, there's your bracelet. And then normally you'll have to trim the end bits, but I'll loop them through the loop and then just tie it round to fasten it on, and then trim this bit as well. And then we can also burn this to meet in the mold. really like to experiment with different textures and different thicknesses, so I have a little collection here of ones I've made of different sizes, different patterns, different colours, and we can also add letters to them, so we can make names, and we can also add pendants to them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to the Atoll Volunteers YouTube channel to continue to get more videos like this one. Bye!